evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, December 7th, 2011. Today we had a total of 11 executable trade signals for a max potential of 24 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning. We were right near our previous day's close, just slightly underneath it. We did have a high probability gap fill. We opened right at 1252.50, and we immediately went into a signal short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside as the market pushed lower right off the open. We had a little reset at the 10 o'clock time frame for a signal long. It was a little bit of back and forth here. You can see we had 3 trades in a row here that basically all hit T1 minus 2. And that is basically where we get our first contract off, no follow through, and it was just a sideways consolidation move. But ultimately that we broke to the downside again. This one we were able to catch targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks. So this whole series here, 4 trades, basically net stayed the same because we ended up losing 2 ticks on 3 trades and picked up 6 on the other. So nothing gained or lost on that little series of consolidation. And when the market came through the moving average at the 10:45 confirmation time, we actually got a real nice full swing there that produced targets 1 and targets 2 the upside for 8 ticks. You can see the price action pushed all the way back up through the open near the previous day's close and just kept climbing through the lunchtime dead zone. Now the red area you see here, the reason we shade this is because that's kind of our no trading time between 11:30 and 1:15. We do not initiate any new trades. You can see the market went up and basically found resistance at its daily pivot, came down, gave us a nice signal. Unfortunately our first contract was off. We adjust our stop only to get stopped out, so we are stopped out on that first trade, T1 minus 2. And then this little setup, obviously our downside was the right way to be coming out of lunch, but we did get a signal long. We have to take it, and T0 minus 14 on that trade, followed up with a retest of that moving average, and that gave us another opportunity to get short. So right there at 2 o'clock we ended up with targets 1 and targets 2, 8 ticks to the downside. Went down to the open, found a little bit of support, kind of consolidated there. Again, went through 2 iterations of signal. The first one we are hit a couple of times and able to get our first contract off T1 minus 2, and then it diced through the moving average, gave us a nice pullback entry for targets 1 and targets 2, 11 ticks. So an extremely active day, 11 trades today. We had some stop outs in there. We had some T1 minus 2 stop outs in there and full stop outs, but end of the day we prevailed. 11 trades, 24 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.